Well, it has been a year since Katie Hayes had a baby and nearly died of flesh-eating bacteria. She's happy about the first birthday of her daughter.
But it's also been a year of loss. Reporter Christy Myers takes a look at how Katie's adjusted to her new life and stayed optimistic through this all.
Happy birthday to you.
Ariel Hayes is a year old.
Happy birthday to you.
It's a week her mother, Katie Hayes, has been anticipating and dreading.
It's a bittersweet.
Bittersweet because 5 days after Ariel was born, Katie's arms and legs had to be amputated to save her life. Katie had a rare internal Group A strep infection.
My pregnancy was healthy, the birth was healthy, and all of a sudden I'm not feeling so good. And the midwife says, well, suck it up. You just had a big baby.
But Katie was right. Something was wrong. The strep A infection had developed into flesh-eating disease.
Literally, my insides were melting. Yes, and they pulled out all my organs. I mean, large intestine, uterus, ovaries, all of it gone.
The flesh-eating bacteria began to destroy her body. Al made the excruciating decision last year to allow the amputation of her limbs to save her life.
They did. Many, many times doctors came to me and go, you just need to let her go. She's going to die. There's no way you're going to pull up from this one. And I'm glad I didn't listen.
1 year later, Katie painted this picture with her prosthetic arms.
It really signifies my year. The clouds came in, the blood poured down, there was just enough sunshine to know God was around. That's the caption I made for it.
She had therapy at TIER to learn to use her 4 prosthetic limbs, but a glitch in her disability benefits has stopped the therapy.
And it's real frustrating because I'd love to be back in rehab.
But Katie never stays down because of her family and her baby.
Oh, I'm just so proud of her. I'm so happy I had her, and you know, there's no regrets. I think it's a miracle that I made it. Miracle.
Christy Myers, 13 Health Check.